Got over to the other side of the boilers, get a different angle. Double boilers here. That is the exhaust stack going up to the surface. And your main steam supply line is going down here. And that's your drift. Headed off that way. Looks like it might be doable. It's pretty tight. All this ice in here is just solid. A lot of it's just crystal clear, probably 2 or 3 feet thick, just building up over decades. So I think it would be doable with the right kind of gear and clothing. Pretty awesome.